in the rain. I say we. She's not with me today, doing some housework. Going to get the stuff out, put it in storage. The boat's done for the year, obviously. Sad day. Let's see if we can have a quick look here. Life jackets. Got the totes. Battery out. Battery box is set up there to stay dry for any water we get seeping in. Gas tanks over there. I don't have cutters to cut that down, so that'll wait. Get back out of the rain here before my GoPro fries. Hold on. Well, there it is. The important stuff's out. Battery, life jackets, tools and equipment tote, other things. Let's see. We're good to go. I am not complaining about the rain. No, we needed it. This is the kind of rain I don't mind. What I didn't enjoy is what we got all spring this spring. The severe storms with the inches of rain and severe flooding. This is the kind of rain we need. I think I seen yesterday was 7 inches below what we should have to break this drought. So onward and upward. We'll do a quick look at the ponds here, see what all this rain, the remnants of Hurricane Helena, I don't know. We've got a little water back. We ain't got that much back. You can see the edge here. So, with all the rain we've had, yeah, it's still down over there. It's down. But it's getting there. It looks a lot fresher than it was. We're getting there.